Welcome back and welcome to another Geometry Do Homework with me. Before we get started, we have this Bible verse to share. It's from Matthew 25:40. Whatever you did for one of the least of these, you did for me. Dear Jesus, help me reflect the spirit of Christmas you modeled by coming to earth not to be served, but to serve. Okay, let us look at question 14 because 13 and 15 will be your homework problems for you to solve. 14 says we have two solids. Solid 1, surface area is given, volume is given. Solid 2, surface area and volume. Ask us to find what is the missing volume. Okay, so in order to find the missing volume here, we need to have the scale factor. Remember earlier, we suggested you to write scale factor in this form. That's a ratio form, a fraction, okay? I look like a fraction, it's a ratio form. And when you go look at it, you don't already have a scale factor given to you. So you need to work on it. And you have a solid 1 to solid 2. It's a surface area. So step 1, we're going to find the scale factor by using the surface area. And we can simplify because that's 11 times 100, that's 11 times 16. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, because 100 over 16, don't use it directly as a scale factor. Why? Refer to the previous video. We talk about why, okay? And here, just really quick reminder, you need take the square root. When you take the square root, and what do you have? You have 10 over 4. Okay? And you have a 10 over 4. 10 over 4, you need to simplify it because it's 2 times 5, 2 times 2, and you have 5 over 2. That is your scale factor. Once you got it and you can do scale factor, I'm going to write the one that has arrows so you can tell me why it's wrong. And the missing one, I just use V. This is incorrect. Why? Did you say, oh, I need to give it a cube power? Okay, and then after you know that you need to give it cubic power, so this will be, let me get ink, that would be 1, 2, 5, and 8 right here. Okay, then you can do cross multiplication, something you learned from algebra 1 and pre-algebra. You times this 2 and divide by 1 to 5, and then you should have this beautiful number. Okay, with this in hand and in mind also, I think you can go ahead and tackle these two problems. Okay, all right.